Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dani for danicctutorials. And today I'm going to show you how to make this cute pen and holder from Finding Dory. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel so you don't lose any fun videos that are coming, and also press the bell button so you can get notifications. Now every Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sundays will be the day then we're gonna have new videos. I got a lot of you that wanted me to have a little bit of the schedule for you to know. So it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday at 8 o'clock Eastern time, the Florida time, and you can come and watch a new video, and I will be like online for 40 to an hour. So if you leave a comment, I can talk to you. If you want to ask something, we can chat, and you can tell me if you want to know something or you want to see a new video. So every time, Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, 8 o'clock, I will be live waiting for you guys. So come talk to me. So let's start this video. I got all this at the dollar store. I showed you guys on my haul last time. So I was stoked to do this because was a friend and wanted for her little one. They want to have a Nemo party, and she has a guest book. So she wanted cute pens and like a holder to leave that next to the guest book for the party, so everybody can write and sign a little note for the baby. Now that he's 1 and until he grows up, he can see that book. So I went to the dollar store specific to get those little tiny toys. They cut your work for like and a half. They are just $1, and they're gonna facilitate my life for sure. I thought about taking that little base the water off, but then I decided then it would look cuter if they are really in the water if we make the pen blue. So you can just crack that out, or you can leave with that. I will leave right there, and I'm using the pen. So we're gonna set that aside, and then we're gonna start with the glass, and then I will place Dory inside, because Dory is the one that goes inside the coffee pot. So that's what we are going to do. I put a little hot glue on the bottom. You can use E6000 glue as well, but since it's not going to be shaking, it's not going to be hanging, it will be just fine with the hot glue, as you can see, and dries really fast, and then I can ship to her very fast. And I am going to start with the snake in black. I'm using the air dry clay, the very light one. I'm just making like kind of like a U and a pretty way for the handle of the coffee mug or pot, and I'm just curling a little bit on the bottom. And now we are going to open a very long snake that needs to be long enough to go all around the top of your glass. And also the little glass I got at the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. So it's pretty cool, and I have the link down below on the description box if you guys wanted to order through that link to dollar store. Dollar Tree can ship to your house, or can just ship to the store and you can get it. So as you can see, I'm making kind of like a mountain. It goes skinny and then goes bigger in the middle and then skinny again. And I am trying to make that straight as possible because I don't want it to look all twisted on the box, on the top of the glass. But I want it to make kind of in this weird snake squish shape. So that's why we're gonna try to make as straight as possible. And the air dry clay, it's super light and feels like a phone when it's dry. So it protects the glass. It's not heavy, and it's not gonna break if somebody bangs that pen on the details. So I also have the link down below if you guys want to see. And then I am just going to place what we just made all around the top of the glass to start making our coffee pot. As you can see, I'm just smoothing with my fingers. I use a little bit of glue just to be sure that it's gonna be sticking in there, but I try to put it just in the edge of the glass because I don't want to see glue squishing around on the glass from the inside. And as you can see, I'm just bending one side down. That's where the liquid will come off, you know, where you serve, and trying to make everything without seams and smooth. Now with the pan, I just open a little bit of light blue clay and I'm gonna cover all around. I like to squish to one side so I know then there's no air bubbles, and when it dries it's gonna, you know, crack or something. And then I am going to cut the excess with a scissor so I don't have a lot of clay on it. And also this clay is super light, as I told you, so it's great for covering pans. So it's not heavy for kids to use, it's not like weird to hold to write, so it's light and fluffy and super cool. I made in two. I'm cutting the excess of the clay on the top because if you glue on the clay, it's gonna come off. You wanna glue your little fishy on the pan, and that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use hot glue just for the sake of it, because if I use E600, I'm gonna need to wait for 24 hours and I need to ship this out. So I am going to place the Nemo there and hold it for a second just to cool off the glue so I know that it's stuck in there. And the same thing for Marlin. I am using a little bit of clay to make under and give the finishing and look like a rock, since we have the water on top of it, to be sure that my pan and my Nemo not gonna move around. Now I'm using a little bit of the moss, the same moss that I use on my haul that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just putting around as seaweed. And we're gonna do that on the Marlin as well. I am actually not using glue or anything. My clay, the gray clay for the rocks, is too wet, so I'm just stucking in there. And now I'm using a little bit of crazy glue after everything is dry to put it the holder for the coffee pot in place. And we're gonna glue on the top black part and then glue the bottom on the glass. Hold it a little bit so you be sure then the crazy glue is going to start. That's why I like crazy glue, because it's faster. And now I decided to be a little bit more delicate and do the finishing at the edge of the pan with dark blue. I just open a snake and place it in there. And now it's done. It's super cute. Actually, the party was already happened and they loved it. They asked actually 2 more, so I need to make 2 more, and I hope I can still find it at the dollar store. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys like the new schedule of the videos. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 p.m. I will be live and online if you guys want to come talk to me and tell me what you want to see on the channel and anything else. Thank you so much. Be safe out there. This crazy coronavirus is still out there, so be safe in the home or use your mask. And we talk in the next video. I'm pretty excited to start tomorrow. Bye.